My latest inspiration was Sabrina Carpenter Please 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 song, and I used Bite Me Croc palette from Rude Cosmetics. And the first eyeshadow is this light because we have to prepare our eyes for the makeup. So I applied all over my eyelid, under the brows, and just like everywhere where we will put our eyeshadow. For this step, you may also use face powder or just go with eye primer. The next step is hardest one just because you need to get inside of your eyes, inside of your soul, and I know there are a lot of people who just cannot stand any pencil or just anything in their eyelid, but you really want to go there because it makes your eyes just pop. I'm already building a small eyeliner just to make it visible. It may really help you in making your work more clean and making it a little bit easier after. For our next step, I'm using NYX Jumbo pencil, but you may use anything you want, like cream eyeshadow or just eye pencil. It depends on you, on your skills, on what you desire. I started near to my lashes and go up to the crease, and then I'm blending everything with just clean brush. You may always control yourself by looking forward and seeing if you're not getting outside your crease. Of course, we're doing everything the same for the second eye. As you may see, I'm not covering my whole lid because I'm blending everything with clean brush, so you don't want to overdo this step. If you want a little bit brighter makeup, you may just skip this small step and get to next eyeshadow. I prefer using flat brush because it makes it easier to apply smoky eyes by tapping eyeshadow onto your eye without dropping eyeshadow under your eyes. And we are moving to this beautiful shimmer hacky eyeshadow. So this is the main eyeshadow I'm using for this makeup. I'm also applying it with flat brush, but you may also use round brush if you're struggling with blending. The bigger your brush is, the bigger your blending is. So if you need precise, take something small. If you need to blend it really well, take big brush. Now we are moving to our eyeliner, and now I'm just repeating our eyeliner and making it a little bit bigger. So here we can also draw a small or big eyeliner as you wish. It depends on your skills or on your wants. Just take a look at this tiny little pencil I have, but I love it, and I'm repeating everything and blending with clean small brush, and I'm blending everything to my under eye area too. I wanted this makeup look a little bit like smoky, a little bit smudged. And while we are working with our under eye area, I'm applying same Haki to my under lash line and blending it with our pencil, little by little. Here comes my favorite highlighter from MAC, and I'm applying it to inner eye corner using small round brush. And I'm also applying it under my brows. I'm still using Essence Call Me Queen mascara, but honestly, maybe I'll sound a little bit selfish, but my lashes just give me an opportunity not to think about mascara a lot. And this time I'll also show you my lip combo. I'm starting with SheGlam brown eye pencil and add a little bit of NYX Glitter Glam, and also apply a little bit of a lip gloss from Rival, and that's it. I'm not really a big fan of lip glosses, but this combo makes me feel like it's a go. Let me know, what do you think about it? Thank you so much for being with me for this tutorial. I hope to see you soon in my next one. See you soon, bye bye, and remember that you're already beautiful.